بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بلوغ المرام من أدلة الأحكام. بلوغ المرام attainment of the objective according to evidence of the ordinances. Al-Hafiz Ibn Hajar Al-Asqalani. And today we read chapter 3, the nature and cleansing of An Najasah, the impurities. Narrated Anas bin Malik radiallahu anhu, Allah was asked about making vinegar out of alcohol. He said, no, it is prohibited. Reported by Muslim and At-Tirmidhi, and the letter gets Hasan Sahih, good and authentic. Narrated Anas bin Malik radiallahu anhu, on the day of Khaybar, Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam commanded Abu Talha to announce, Allah and his messenger have prohibited for you eating of the flesh or of the domesticated donkeys, for it is unclean, agreed upon. Narrated Amr bin Kharija radiallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered a khutbah religious talk to us at Mina, while mounted on his camel, and its saliva was dripping on my shoulders. Reported by Ahmad and Tirmidhi, and the letter degraded Sahih, authentic. Narrated Aisha radiallahu anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to wash the semen and then go out for prayer in the very garment, and I could still see the trace of washing on it. Agreed upon. Muslim has, I used to scrub it, the semen of the garment of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then he offered prayer wearing it. In yet verily Aisha used to scrub it, the semen of his garment with the fingernail while it was dry. Narrated Abu Usama radiallahu anhu, Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the urine of a baby girl should be washed off, and the urine of a baby boy should be sprinkled. The parent over it completely. Reported by Abu Dawud and Nisai, and Al-Hakim Sahih, authentic. Narrated Asma bint Abi Bakr radiallahu anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said regarding menstruation of blood that soils a garment, she should scrub it, rub it with water using her fingers, then sprinkle or wash it with water, then she may pray in it. Agreed upon. Narrated Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu, Khawla said, O Messenger of Allah, suppose the rest of blood does not go, he said, washing it with the water will suffice you, and this won't harm you. The record reported by Tirmidhi, and the sanad chain of narrators is weak.